Welcome back to our Christmas holiday series, exploring and finding free camps in New South Wales without the crowds. We venture to explore national parks that we've not experienced before and get active by burning off some of our Christmas overindulgence. Okay, so we're off on a little hike and Cathedral Rock Loop track, including summit walk and rock climb, grade 5. 5.6 kilometres loop, 3 hours. We've packed a picnic and let's hope can keep the stamina going for the whole trip. So I'm not sure, summit means climbing, doesn't it? Oh well, see how we go. And we've got to look out for some I forgot what they're called, the red robins, and also the black cockatoos with the red crest, and wallabies, and lots of beautiful flowers. Yeah, at night time this place must come alive. It's an amazing landscape. It's weird how the rocks are just sitting there. Where did they fall from? Because there's nothing too close. There is a mountain behind, but that's a big roll. Anyway, we're almost where you climb up to the summit.
About halfway around the Cathedral Loop track, contemplating doing the summit. Marg's just having a little rest.
I am, and I'm loving this chair.
We've got a chair. From here, the summit is up there. The track goes up here somewhere.
It's at this stage I turned back and let Steve continue on. I just couldn't do it.
There are arrows, which are nice. One over there in the bush. Another one up there on the side of the rock. That's where I'm trying to get to. Up there. Okay, it's day 43. I'm going to power on. Maybe. only breathing loudly for side effects. Or special effects, one of the two. I wish I hadn't worn these sunnies, because they're bifocal. Every time I look down, the ground goes blurry. Only good for reading. Look at that. That's awesome. There we go. Up there. You scramble your way up through the rocks. And then you're presented with views like this. It's awesome. Through here, some Is it that way or that way?
I think this way. This way
Easier.
probably easier.
And the track goes on. Much easier. The sunny's on. I don't know whether you go up or down. There's a big rock through there. Fancy seeing you guys up here. You've done well.
Easy.
It's easy, is it?
Yeah.
I've got to tell myself that. Oh my goodness, look at that.
At least more than a meter for that, okay?
This is called exaggeration.
Yes.
You heard him say. There's a chain here. We get up the chain to get to the top. You got to use a chain. And then you can get to the top. Okay, now it's time to remember how to get back down. It's pretty spectacular. Well worth the walk. I just need to find that. There's that chain. You don't want to be going
I love all the blackened trees as well. Plenty of steps. It's definitely not level. How are we feeling?
Yeah, good. I don't know if I'll be able to walk tomorrow. But
Yeah, not fit whatsoever. And look at these boulders. All right, continue on. This rock out. Like a hippo. His mouth. We're just climbing down, down, down now. And I think my shoes are too small for me because I'm right at the front of them. Not good.
just the most amazing rocks on top of rocks. It's a really amazing landscape. Just boulders.
Just a quick shout out to Gibby and Made with Grace, cakes and Italian biscotti made by Nonna Grace. Thank you for your lovely little treats which we had on the way back to our car. So it's pretty hot and hard work, but I know once we get back to Mildred in our car, it'll be quite rewarding, I think. This landscape is beautiful. So I'll show you something pretty amazing. And I want to know, why is that one boulder just there, sitting, resting? Crazy. And where did that one come from? That's just sitting on the top. Doesn't make sense. We're just at Cathedral Rocks and this site, number 2, looks awesome. Bit of shade as well. That's number 3. Number 4.
Firewood. And number 2 is the pit.
Yeah. Little kangaroos just there. Oh, they're beautiful. So venturing on from the national park, we head to Glen Innis to try and find our free camp for the night. We're going to check out this free camp at a place called Deep Water. So we've been playing Richard Clapton and see what this place is like. We have no idea, never been here before, but it's all part of our holiday season challenge to find new places and not pay anything for them if we can. So we've spotted some campers. Safety in numbers. And they're spread apart enough. Feeling good about this. So we're just weaving our way around the trees, trying to work out where we can camp. And this is Deep Water Common Ground. Free camp just outside Glen Innis. Or Glen Innis. Look, it's lovely. And I'm hoping that sky stays clear because the last couple of nights the clouds rolled in and I couldn't get any star shots. Look, it would look amazing with all these trees. So we've got our baby here. We just did a big shop because we're coming to the end of our Christmas leftovers. So I did that in Glen Innis and packed the shelves in our caravan and our little bar fridge. We've got enough food for the next week. So this is fun, the unknown. It's a pretty nice campsite. Just made myself a delicious frozen fresh mango margarita. So we can rest our weary bodies from our walk today. Very proud of ourselves because we haven't really been getting fit lately. 2025, let's make it life be in it. Fitness for us.
I thought I'd share with you an idea because when we went shopping yesterday, I found some Vegemite and cheese hot cross buns. I'm not too sure what you would think of that. The girl at Coles went, yuck, she hates Vegemite. Anyway, what I'm going to do with these is make them eggy bread. Well, actually, Steve's going to cook them on the barbecue. But what I thought I'd do is, I left my knife in. I'm just going to cut them into, say, 3 so they're not so thick, and I'm going to just soak them in some egg that I've whisked with some milk and pepper, and we'll cook them on the barbie with some tomato and bacon. Anyway, that's going to be our delicious brekkie. So there you have it. We've got our eggy bread, Vegemite cheese eggy bread cooking on our barbie. And while I think of it, we do have a third cookbook you can download, don't we?
We do.
And people seem to have loved volume 1 and 2. And with this third one, that's 75 recipes that you can download. And the last one, volume 3, actually has 30 recipes in it. So I'll pop the barcode here, QR code I should say. If you're interested, go there to have a look at what it's all about. I'll also put a link in the description on YouTube. And make sure you follow us on Instagram, because if we're not travelling, I'm still uploading things onto Instagram. So look up Gibbo's Road Trip Adventures. And there you have it, our Vegemite and cheese eggy bread. Da, da, da. So we just left the Deepwater Common Ground. This is Deepwater Pub, and you can also camp behind the pub with your RV caravan or whatever. Look at that old bake, isn't that gorgeous? This is really nice. This was a nice surprise. And there's an antique shop, so we're going to go and have a little look. So we've just been having a little drive around this town. It is gorgeous. There's lots of little old cottages and the buildings in the main street are so cute. And this is the old railway. So Deepwater has been a lovely little surprise. Anyway, we're going to head on to wherever. We don't know. Make sure you follow us so you can find out where we end up.